We all have seen Stranger Things and noticed that radio error and lights flickering whenever there's any contact with the upside down. Well, somewhere it's also because of electromagnetic interference. And you won't believe it that I experienced something similar, though tiny in effect, but yet powerful. Yesterday, I plugged in the phone charger to my MacBook instead of the MacBook charger. The device started charging as usual, but I noticed that my fingerprint sensor stopped working. I thought it was gone forever. But when I plugged in that my original MacBook charger, it started working just as fine. And that's when I landed on the concept of electromagnetic interference. So let's start with the basics. What even is electromagnetic interference? Every device that runs on electricity, your phone, your charger, your TV, radiates energy in the form of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic interference, EMI, is unwanted electrical noise or signals from an outside source that disrupt, degrade, or break the performance of electronic devices. Let's imagine when you drop a stone in a still pond, it creates ripples that spread outward in every direction, right? Now drop 10 stones at the same time. All those ripples start crashing into each other. That chaos, that entropy, that's electromagnetic interference. When the waves from one device crash into the signals of another device and disrupt it. Now let's come back to my MacBook moment. The MacBook's Touch ID fingerprint sensor is extraordinarily sensitive. It works on capacitive sensing. It sends out a tiny electrical field that reads your fingerprint. For this to work, the sensor needs complete electrical silence. Now, a non-MacBook charger doesn't really convert power. It leaks. It lets small amounts of AC electrical noise escape into your laptop's metal pod. That noise travels everywhere, including straight into the Touch ID sensor. Suddenly, the sensor is in the middle of a storm of electrical noise. It can't hear the whisper of your fingerprint anymore. So it gives up. That is exactly what happens. Joy's Christmas light, the upside down creates a loud electrical noise that the lights, the radio are completely overwhelmed by interference they were never designed to handle. If you also ever encountered this situation, now you know why.